Hi guys.
I want to simply make a review about the side effects of this face lotion by Fairandwhite product. Fairandwhite is a very popular brand, and if you're into skincare, you will know Fairandwhite, even if you haven't used it before. But at least it's a very popular brand too among skincare products, especially if you're looking to brighten your skin. Fairandwhite, they are products that helps you brighten your skin gradually. Fairandwhite is actually a good brand, so I used to use the lotion on my face and body. And guy, my skin then was really cool. Like, it was really cool. Not until I found out that you have to use a face cream, body cream, blah blah blah, all separately. I started using this last winter, and because it's a brightening face toner, that was one of the reasons I bought it, to brighten my face, because I didn't want my face to look dull. During winter, my skin gets to look a bit duller and dry. It happens to a lot of people, many people as well. During winter, it tends to dry out the skin. So, and some people's own looks dull, while some people's own looks bright. So it all depends on the kind of skin you have. So one of the reasons I bought this cleanser was to just, add to brightening my skin. And as of last year, I was using Carotone face cream as well. So it works really well with this face toner. It's called a face purifying lotion, but it's a cleanser. It will help to brighten up your skin, not on its own. First, the side effect I don't like about this is, like, it's written here, lotion exclusive whitenizer, purifying lotion, vitamin C. Number one, if you're going to order this product on their website, you wouldn't even know that it's a face cleanser. That's one disadvantage of this Fairandwhite I didn't like when I was placing order online. It was really difficult for me to figure out whether it was a body lotion or a face lotion, or a body lotion or a face cleanser. I had to go to the review section to see, what people were saying about this, and that was where I found that it was a face cleanser. And secondly, it will not brighten your face. If you're looking to brighten your face, forget this whitenizer that is written there, this exclusive whitenizer. Now wash, it won't brighten your face on its own. So if you're using only a face moisturizer that doesn't brighten your skin, and you're using a soap or a face cleanser that is also a moisturizing face cleanser, this toner or lotion or cleanser will not brighten you on its own, especially when you're using products that are not brightening products. This just helps to improve your face brightness. If you're using other brightening products, it doesn't do much. For me, I would say it doesn't even do anything to when it comes to brightening your face. Then the third disadvantage is that because I used it during winter thinking it was going to hydrate my face, actually dries out my face after using it to cleanse my face. Like, there's this drying effect I get, which I really don't like, because when my face is dry, and or you use a product that dries your face too much and you're not heavy with your moisturizer, your face might, get really dry, scaly, and maybe sometimes itchy. It all depends on the kind of skin you have. So your face might just be itchy or too dry, or might start reacting. So it all depends on your skin. So for my own reaction, the side effects, I have listed 3 of the side effects. Yes, they might not all be on the skin. One was being difficult to order this, to know whether it's a face or body lotion, a face cleanser or a body lotion. Second was that it doesn't brighten the face on its own. You have to use other brightening products. And thirdly, it dries out your face. You have to be heavy with the moisturizer. If you're using a face moisturizer, you have to be heavy with your face moisturizer. If you're using a face cream that is brightening as well, make sure that the face cream also have a good moisturizing effect, so that your skin don't tend to dry out so much, because the goal is to leave your skin healthy. The goal is to leave your skin glowy, yet hydrated and moisturized, because in moisturizing your skin, your facial skin, it tends to look younger. I'm not saying getting old is bad. I'm just saying it helps you, like, because of the stress of life, because of the hustles and bustles and all the toxins around us that our skin tends to take in without us even knowing. It just ages your skin on time. That's just the truth. Even when you're young in age, sometimes because of all this what I've listed now, it just makes your skin to age on time. It causes it wrinkles, it causes it to start suffering aging really early. So that's why I'm always on, I mean heavy on the good moisturizers, hydrating products, smoothing out products, and yeah, that is it. So it's not like it's a bad thing to age. I mean, aging is what everyone looks forward to, and I was able to use it up until this part, like as far as this. It's almost finished because number one, I purchased it. Okay, I bought it and I don't just want my money to waste, so I had to use it until it finishes. Don't get me wrong, even though it dries out my face, it smoothens it out and just adds a little or not much to brightening your face. So yes, it helps to smoothen out the skin. I feel the effects, the smoothing effect on my skin every time I cleanse my face. But when I wait for it to dry up, you know, instead of leaving my face really hydrated, I feel this drying effect, which I'm not really comfortable with. And yeah, for some people it might be fine, it might be different. I'm just telling you my own experience and the side effects I notice about it. So when I feel the drying effect, it's a good thing that I'm heavy on moisturizer. The face moisturizing cream I use, I make sure that they are really at least up to 6 hours to 24 hours hydrating or moisturizing effect. So by the time I use it in the morning and going to bed, it keeps my face moisturized until when I'm ready to wash off for bed, and then also ready to prep my skin, and takes me up until the morning. So Fairandwhite lotion exclusive whitenizer, like I said, it will not brighten you on its own, but it smoothens out your face, and if you're using good brightening face cream, it helps to work out in brightening your face. Not so much, because when you see the whitenizer you think, oh, it's going to make me look too fair. Just forget about it. That is just a clickbait. That's just a buy bait. That's what I call it. It doesn't really whiten you at all. It doesn't. If you're only using a brightening product, again, it just helps to support it and brightening it. So it actually dries out my skin. But like I said, if you're heavy with your moisturizer and using a good moisturizing face cream that helps to moisturize and hydrate your face for a long time. Also, if you're using a moisturizing face wash, a good hydrating face wash like the Cerave face wash, like the La Roche-Posay face wash, they are very good face washes out there that when you use on your face, it leaves your face really hydrated. So when you use this to cleanse, you might not really feel that extreme dryness or that very dryness that I spoke about on your face. So when you use good cleansers, good moisturizing face creams, you might not really feel the dryness this gives. But just in case you've used this before and you're planning to use it, or you're wondering, this face cleanser, will it be good for me or not? Of course, I'll tell you for a free, it's good. It can also help out to dry pimples. And of course, because of that drying effect it has, it's what causes your face to be smooth. Because when you have the pimples on your face, that drying part, it helps to dry out the pimples. That's one good thing I like. That's why I used it up until I finished it, because I didn't notice one pimple on my face. That's the good part of this cleanser, because while it is drying out your face, it's also drying out the pimples, and it's also drying out these dark marks. So when it dries it off, it smooths out your skin. But for some reason, I just don't like how dry my skin feels when I use this. So I have to be heavy on my moisturizer, and I have to use a moisturizer that moisturizes my face for a long period of time, and also use a face cleanser that really moisturizes my face. So at that time, I was using a La Roche-Posay face cleanser, face wash. I made a review about that face wash. I was using a La Roche-Posay face wash. That was when I was also using this cleanser to cleanse my face. So yes, I felt the drying effect. So I was like telling myself, so what if the face creams and the face wash I was using wasn't that hydrating? Do you understand what would have happened? That means my skin would have been kind of dry. Even though the La Roche-Posay too is not as hydrating as the Cerave. Yeah, the La Roche-Posay too has a bit of drying effect, but not so much. It's more moisturizing than this. Yeah, it has a very good moisturizing effect. Yeah, so that is that for that. Have you ever used any product from Fairandwhite? What was your reaction like? Do you ever think that Fair and White whitenizer, like they say, does it really whiten your skin the way you want it? Actually, for me, it doesn't do any of that. According to what the name says, it doesn't whiten your skin. It just helps to smoothen it out. That's for this lotion. So if you used this before, please let me know in the comment section.